I'm going to show you how to assemble each zero profile holder. I'm going to start with the Bitewing holder. The Bitewing holder has two slots. This is the distal slot, the smaller end, and it's got marked with a D, or the mesial slot, which is larger, marked with an M, and that's this slot here. Most of the time you're going to use the distal slot. This slot is for getting cuspids and for small mandibles, tori, etc. So we'll take the sensor, place it in any baggie that you'd like. It works. I do recommend that we cut these and make them smaller, make them more comfortable for the patient. So you just can take a scissor and pre-cut it, but that's what it'll end up looking like. And we're going to then go ahead and slide it in the distal end, pushing this in so it matches up with that, and you just simply press and it's in to stay. You can see it's very sturdy. Next we have to pick the right size stick, and what we use is the smallest stick that we have is for handhelds, and this would be too small. The next smallest stick is this one, and that usually works the best for the Bitewing holder. And it's as simple as in this slot here, we take the tapered end and snap it into place. So now it's snapped in, this is snapped in, and then we have the ring to put on. And you can see that the ring has these lineup pieces here, and that goes away from the cheek. So always on and away from the cheek. So that's one place to put it in. Now I'm going to show you how to take this out so you can put it in try it in the other slot. What you do is you take your hand and put it underneath like so, supporting. And all you have to do is press on here and it comes out. We never, ever want you to do this. Twist. Never twist. Always support with your fingers, like so, and push. So now we have that out, and we're going to flip this around to the mesial end, sliding it in, like so, lining it up with the hole, and you just press, and it snaps into place. So now that's how you would use the Bitewing holder. And again, to get that out, you go ahead and use your fingers to support and press with your thumb. Never twist.